So today, I'm gonna get sanding this floor. Now, I had the bright idea of taking the sander back to Melbourne last week for a project, and I forgot to bring it back. That's the belt sander. We've got an orbital sander, but they just kind of suck. They're good for certain things, like, you know, making edges nice and smooth and stuff, but for a floor you really need a belt sander. But because I left it in Melbourne and the show must go on, as you can see, I got a bit dusty, but the floor sanded. It's funny, it actually doesn't really look better. I tried to take some of the paint off, but it's just too thick, so. Hot tip number 1, use a belt sander. It'll do for now. As I said before, once you put a rug on the floor, you won't even see it.